a light hollow cube of side length 10 cm and mass 10 gram is floating in water. It is pushed down and released to execute simple harmonic oscillations. The time period of oscillations is y pi into 10 to the power minus 2 second, where the value of y is. So we have to find the value of y, and the acceleration due to gravity g is 10 meter per second and density of water is 10 q kg per meter cube. So what it says that a cube of length 10 centimeter is pushed down. So let's say this is the cube of length 10 centimeter, of length 10 centimeter. Now this cube is pushed, let's say, at distance x in the water. So this portion is in the water. Now the volume of this portion that is in the water, V, is equal to, the length is L, say L is 10 centimeter, so L square x. L square x is the volume of the cube that is inside the water. Now the force acting in the upward direction, and this is the force due to buoyancy. So buoyant force is equal to the displaced water, is equal to the weight of the displaced water. Now the volume of the displaced water is V, that is L square x, and mass of the displaced water, that is volume into density. The density, let's say x, rho, so this is the mass times g, this is the weight of the displaced water. So this is the amount of force that acts on the cube, or buoyant force. Now this force is equal to mass times acceleration, so mass of the cube times acceleration, or we can write A is equal to L square rho g by m x. So A is equal to L square rho g by mx. Now for simple harmonic motion, A is equal to omega square x. So omega square x, where omega is the angular frequency, or we can write omega square is equal to L square rho g divided by m, or omega is equal to root over L square rho g divided by m. Now omega is equal to 2 pi by t. So 2 pi divided by t, that is the time period, 2 pi by t. So 2 pi by t is equal to root over L square rho g by m, or time period t is equal to 2 pi times root over m divided by L square rho g. Now we have to put the values of m, L, rho g in that expression, that is t equal to twice pi. So mass is given, so mass is given as 10 gram. So 10 gram, it means 10 into 10 to the power minus 3 kg. So m. Now L is 10 centimeter, that is 10 into 10, that is 100, 10 square centimeter square. Now 1 semi square is 10 to the power minus 4 meter square. So it is 10 square times 10 to the power minus 4 meter square. And rho is the density of water, that is 10 q kg per meter cube is given, 10 q. So it is 10 q. Now g is 10. So it becomes twice pi into root over 10 to the power 10 into 10 to the power minus 3 is 10 to the power minus 3 plus 1, 10 to the power minus 2 divided by 10 to the power 3. 3 plus 2 is 5, and 4 plus 1, 3 plus 2 plus 1 is 10 to the power 6 minus 4, 10 to the power 6 minus 4 is 10 to the power minus So 10 to the power plus 2, it becomes twice pi into 10 to the root over 10 to the power minus 4. So this is equal to twice pi into 10 to the power minus 2. Now the time period is given as y pi 10 to the power minus 2. So it is equal to y pi 10 to the power minus 2 second. So if we compare this, then pi into 10 to the power minus 2 is common. So the value of y is 2. So the value of y is 2. That is here option 1 is the correct answer. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe my channel and share this video. Thank you.